Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how I prepare a simple traditional wellness drink. I have taken two medium-sized white pomegranates. First I am removing the crown-shaped top portion. Now I am cutting each pomegranate into 4 pieces. However, it is important to remember that this is a traditional wellness drink and not a medicine or a replacement for the professional medical care. Next, I am removing the edible seeds and the inner white membranes, also called septa. For this recipe, I am mainly using the peel. Pomegranate peel contains several naturally occurring plant compounds including polyphenols, punicalagins, ellagic acid, gallic acid, and tannins. These compounds are well known for their antioxidant properties, and the reasons pomegranate peel has been used in the traditional wellness practice for many years. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your healthcare provider before regularly using concentrated herbal preparations such as this one. I have collected all the peels in a bowl and now I am cutting them into smaller pieces. Cutting them into smaller pieces helps more of their natural compounds enter the water during heating. Now I have a pot of water heating on the stove. Once the water is hot, I am adding the chopped pomegranate peels. I will let the peels heat for a few minutes so that some of their natural constituents can be extracted into the water. If you are already taking medications, especially for diabetes, blood pressure, blood clotting, or any long-term medical condition, speak with your doctor or pharmacist before adding this drink to your routine. Herbal ingredients may affect some medicines. So if you try this preparation, start with small amounts and see how your body responds. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of Kalonji seeds. As the mixture heats, you can see the color gradually become darker. This happens because the natural compounds from the pomegranate peel and the Kalonji are moving into the water. The third ingredient I am adding is 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. Brown sugar adds sweetness and contains a small amount of minerals from molasses. Now if you prefer, you can use jaggery known as gur instead, and regular white sugar can also be used. Now all 3 ingredients are together in the pot: pomegranate peel, Kalonji and brown sugar. I am allowing everything to simmer gently for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes of heating, I am turning off the stove and allowing the mixture to cool. Once it has cooled down, I am separating the larger peel pieces by simply pouring the mixture into another container. The small Kalonji seeds remain in the liquid, which is perfectly fine. Now the final mixture has a dark brown color and is now ready. I recommend storing it in a refrigerator in a bottle. Now traditionally many people enjoy preparations like this as a part of their morning routine. To use it, I add about 2 spoonfuls of this mixture to a glass of plain water. Stir well and drink it. Kalonji is also known as black seed and it contains natural compounds such as thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone, essential oils, and antioxidants. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this recipe interesting and helpful.